go!
Homicide!
Chowder, where are your parents?
My dad's at the pharmacy and my mom's at the movies with her personal trainer.
All right, meet me at the danger zone now.
Fine.
I said, knock it off!
Come on, man.
Oh, I'm creeped out. You know, I saw an ambulance here today.
So?
So, maybe Nevercracker really did die.
We should be so lucky. The guy is evil.
No, he's just a crotchety old dude.
Oh, really? Z? When I was 10 years old, I had a kite. Awesome kite. I could fly it so high you couldn't see it. One day, it crashed down. I followed the string, and it ended right over there, across the street, right at the edge of his lawn.
Oh. Did he take your kite?
Yeah, he takes whatever lands on his lawn. But that's not the point. The point is that I saw him talking to his house and kissing it. Besides, everybody knows what he did to his wife.
Why? What did he do to her?
He ate her! Ah!
Stop it! Ow! Ow! Bones! Enough!
Come on, Z.
Bones, I'm so sick of you.
I was just...
You have no respect for women.
What? What does that mean?
Get out!
Come on. Prude. What are you looking at? Huh? Never. You really are dead, aren't you? I'm on your lawn, Nevercracker. What are you gonna do about it? Ah! Never! Snapper! Flipper! Dipper! Ah! My awesome kite.
Chowder! Chowder! Chowder? Chowder! Whoa. Chowder, what are you doing? Shut up! What? Nevercracker's back from the dead.
No way.
Yeah. They leave the keys in here.
You dare me?
Chowder, you're not listening to me. Nevercracker's haunting me. All right, his blood is on my hands. And now he's coming back for revenge.
You're
You're really crazy right now. Have you noticed that? I think you're just freaking out because he killed a guy today. Life goes on. For you. Try and relax. Be cool like me. Fling around! I need your help. Fine. You want my help? Yeah. I got 3 words for you. Trick or treat. Okay, whatever. Let's go. Hold on. Char, come on. The haunting is so... yet really boring. Can I go home now?
Char, she'll hear you.
DJ. This is why nobody will sit next to us at lunch. I'll go ding-dong ditch the house, and you'll see. No ghost!
Chowder, stop, please. Chowder, I'm serious. Chowder, come back. Come back here, please, Chowder. Come on. Chowder, come back.
Oh, no! A bottle!
Chowder, put that down. Come back, please.
Hey, DJ, who am I? Get off my lawn!